In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Cloudflare email. Email verification is an essential step in securing your account and ensuring you have uninterrupted access to Cloudflare's services. Whether you're new to Cloudflare or simply need to verify your email address, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a verified email address and be one step closer to optimizing your account security. Let's get started. First, you'll need to sign into your Cloudflare Dashboard. This is the main hub for managing your Cloudflare account and settings. If you're already signed in, you can follow along from here. For those who aren't, simply go to the Cloudflare website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your avatar or profile picture there. If you don't have a profile picture set up, it will just appear as a placeholder icon, but don't worry, this is where you'll need to click. Once you've clicked on your avatar, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled My Profile. This will take you directly to your account settings page. Once you're in your profile, scroll down until you find the section labeled Email Address. This is where you can check if your email address is verified or not. If your email address is not verified, you'll see a button that says Send Verification Email. Go ahead and click that button. What this does is send a verification email to the email address associated with your Cloudflare account. Next, you need to open the email account that's linked to your Cloudflare profile. Check your inbox for an email from norpley@notify-classclatlauer.com. This is the official email address that Cloudflare uses for account-related notifications. If you don't see the email right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it ended up there. Once you've located the email, open it and look for the verification link inside. This link is your key to verifying your email address. Click on the link and it will redirect you to a confirmation page indicating that your email has been successfully verified. If, for any reason, you don't receive the verification email, or if the link inside the email doesn't work, maybe it's broken or expired, don't panic. You can return to your Cloudflare profile and click the Resend Verification Email button. This will send a new email to your account, giving you another chance to complete the process. Additionally, here's a pro tip. If you're having trouble with the verification link, try opening the new link in a private or incognito browser window. This can help you avoid any caching issues that might interfere with the verification process. It's a small step, but it can make a big difference in ensuring everything works smoothly. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have your Cloudflare email verified in no time. This is a crucial part of managing your account securely and ensuring you're always in control of your settings and notifications. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.